meow. Nippers. No, Prince Charming, you can't go down like that. No, that can't be possible. Ah! No, Prince Charming. Oh. Jesus Christ, I'm trying to sleep. What are you watching? Totally not Cinderella. Yeah, not watching Cinderella at all. Say, do you have a rope I can borrow? No. Deal with it. Oh my bird, is that Cinderella? I love Cinderella. 10 out of 10. My nipples are hard.